Want to disable or enable Wi-Fi or Ethernet in Windows 10? In this video, I show you the fast classic method using network connections. Let's do it. Hi everyone, welcome to the CNATT channel. Disabling a network adapter only turns off that specific connection. For example, if you disable the Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter, that connection will stop working until you enable it again. It does not remove the adapter or uninstall the driver. Now let's start with the fastest method. Open the Start menu, type Network Connections, then select View Network Connections under Best Match. Here you can see your network adapters in the Classic Network Connections window. You may see adapters like Wi-Fi, Ethernet, Bluetooth network connection, or virtual adapters created by VPN software or virtual machines. Find the adapter you want to turn off. For example, if you want to disable Wi-Fi, look for Wi-Fi. Right-click it, then click Disable. The adapter will be disabled. To enable it again, right-click the same adapter, then click Enable. After a moment, Windows will turn it back on. That's how you disable or enable a network adapter in Windows 10. This only turns the selected adapter off or back on. If this helped, like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.